Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to get and use the Smith Hammer of Harvest in Grow Garden game of Roblox new smithing update. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the Smith Hammer of Harvest looks like. And before I show you how we can use this item, I'm going to show you how you can get the item guys. If you want to get it, you can go to this crafting area and select the craft gears item, and then these are the items that you need to create or craft the Smith Hammer of Harvest. You will need harvest tool, rare coal, and also shackles. And after that, you will get 2 Smith Hammer of Harvest. And I'm going to show you the information. Oops, where is it? Okay. And it can harvest all fruit within a radius. So basically, it has ability to harvest fruits. And I'm going to place it right here. Let's try it. I'm going to tap on this, and yeah, as you can see guys, that I have harvested all my flowers with this Smith Hammer of Harvest. Okay guys, and that's how you can get and use the Smith Hammer of Harvest. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.